So this is how you use Mopria Print. No accounts created, no sign-ins needed. We're going to show you how to print a two-sided document using Mopria Print. Mopria app is useful because you do not need an account and there is no sign-in required. So for this tutorial, we will use the HP Envy Inspire 7955 printer to print this two-sided PDF document. The HP Envy Inspire printer is Mopria certified. So to begin, let's go to the Play Store and download the Mopria Print app. Do a search for Mopria Print. Install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app. So this is the list of companies that's part of the Mopria Alliance. The printers or apps from this alliance is able to use the Mopria Print and Scan. So there's 3 different ways to print as stated over here. So you need to check on this box and tap on I agree for the terms and conditions. So it has found our HP Inspire 7900 series printer. We'll select that. So you can print a test page if needed, but for now we will print the two-sided document. So this is the two-sided PDF document that we want to print. It consists of 4 pages. So to print using Mopria, simply go to More and select Print. So tap on this arrow here and make sure you select the Mopria Print, which is this one over here for the HP Envy Inspire 7900 printer. After selecting the printer, you need to make sure that the double-sided long edge is selected, and there are more options where you can select the media type, the input tray, and if it is a photo you can turn the borderless on, and even the print quality. We'll leave it as normal. So let's print the document. Use Mopria Print service. OK. So this is the 4-page document that was printed using Mopria Print. So this is how you use the Mopria Print to print a document for your printer that is Mopria certified.